So I know it's been like forever since I put a video up on this channel, and something has gotten me out of retirement. I am at Wendy's, and check that out. That has brought me out of retirement. It's time to go check out Wendy's breakfast and do a review.
Cook me when you wanted to be the bomb. Check out realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.
Let me try that breakfast Baconator. Let me get a small. All right, so I got my Wendy's and I got my coffee and I'm ready to dig in. I talked to the lady at the window, and one of the things she said was that they are #1 in breakfast already. So my expectations are already up here. So let's see if they deliver on their promise. Let's check it out. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, some fries, or I don't know what they're calling these. Potato wedge hash browns. All right, nice little seasoning on there. You can tell it's just a nice fried potato with some black pepper and other seasonings on there. All right, let's see what else we got. Here is the Baconator. Had so many different options, I didn't know what to do. Hold up. Don't tell me that's okay. All right, so some sort of little sauce. That's actually pretty good. This is one of the things I'm loving. It's a real fried egg. Is that a sausage patty? Oh, I guess I didn't really even look at what it was. I just saw the sign. So that's a sausage patty. That's some bacon on there. That's a couple things of bacon on there. A little sauce and some cheese. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go in on this potato. Nice. Nice little seasoned potato. Nice, fresh, hot, which is always good. Delicious. Not normally what I would think of as a breakfast potato. More of something they could serve at lunch also, but does the trick for me. Good. I didn't get any ketchup. I don't normally use ketchup on fries and stuff like that, or hash browns or anything, so I like the potato flavor. Okay, nothing wrong there. Definitely better than a hash brown. I would say it's better than a hash brown. So now is the real deal. Let's see. See if we can get that up in there real good. All right, I'm just going to take a little bite of the sausage. Okay. The patty itself isn't over flavored, over seasoned rather. It's a good patty. It's a regular patty. Now, let's see all together. That's a good sandwich, man. Hold up. Now, I normally haven't been eating breakfast. I've been doing intermittent fasting. So by the time I eat, I'm actually eating lunch and dinner. So I've actually kind of skipped breakfast. So it's a little bit different on my system right now. But I was really looking forward to trying this out. I'm going to tell you one thing. This delivers. The bread is nice and soft. The cheese is nice and melted. I don't know, whatever that sauce is that they have, that white sauce, is flavorful, and it's got a little spice to it. It's got like a little peppery spice to it. It's almost like a like biscuit, like biscuits and gravy, the white gravy on there. It's almost like they put something like that on it. I didn't review this sandwich. I have no idea what was in it. I didn't even know there was sausage in it till right now. So I'm really coming into this absolutely, with no knowledge at all, no research at all, other than the fact that I knew Wendy's was selling breakfast. So this is a really good surprise. Not something I'm going to do often because I'm just not eating breakfast like that anyway. But when I do, Wendy's will definitely be on the radar. I don't know what else to say other than you got a 5-star from me, out of 5. This is a good sandwich. You know what? Here's what makes it good. This tastes like a sandwich you can make at home. This tastes like a sandwich that you would make at home. Yeah. This is a good sandwich. This is a sandwich that if you made at home, your family would thank you for. And yet, it's genuine, it's authentic, it's tasty, it's good. Go out and try that. I don't know when I'll be trying the next sandwiches because I'm not eating breakfast a lot anymore, but this is good. I'm glad I broke my fast. I tried it out, and I'm glad you were here with me when I did it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about it. And I'll be putting some new videos up real soon right here at Real Home Cooking. Also, don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Christian Motivation. Subscribe there for all inspiration, motivational, Christian-based things. God bless you. Take care. Till next time, Domingo Reyes from Real Home Cooking. God bless. I'll see you next time. Ciao. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Said if you wanna cook a meal when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. Said if you wanna cook a meal when you want it to be the bomb, check out realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com. I said realhomecooking.com.